At the County of Kauai, we are using the full suite of the Esri platform to help us collect data, manage data, communicate different scenarios with our stakeholders. We're in the process of trying to unpack some new hazards, especially associated with wildfire management. And we've used the ArcGIS online platform to manage our data. We use XR extended reality tools to help communicate these new paradigms to a broad, large group of stakeholders who are being introduced to some very new ideas to help better improve our community resilience. So the Lahaina fires helped us understand that we need to do a better job as planners to bake in mitigation planning for fire hazard risks into our regulatory framework. We have an opportunity today to do just that with incorporating fire mitigation standards into a form-based code. We are really looking forward to bringing these new ideas and concepts to our community, but that does require new technologies, new visualizations, so that we can help walk our community, stakeholders, and our different internal partners, such as our enforcement staff, our implementation staff, as well as our firefighting professionals, to understand how these new parameters, these new rules will reduce fire risk in our communities. The immersive tools will be really valuable because we need to get incredibly detailed here in this conversation. We can't work just simply with building general building envelopes or blocks. We need to get really detailed, very specific, so that people are seeing exactly what is in their community and what enhancements would be valuable. This is really valuable with tools like In Situ, which is an AR tool that we can add additional context to the landscape to help communicate what these different parameters could look like, these different regulations. What would that look like on your home? It's very valuable to add in the AR context this information. If we can right size it, make it location based, it provides a lot more understanding of what a potential policy could look like and help reduce some of the barriers and potentially the fear of how new regulations could impact somebody in their home.